Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you unboxing video of my Digitek ring light and that I bought recently, and I'm super excited to have it. I bought this along with tripod because I don't have professional tripod and professional ring light. That's why I ordered this. And yes, I'm feeling so good, so much good. So this is a tripod and its total length is I think 6 feet. Yes, and it's so heavy in weight. And my ring light is from Digitek, and that tripod is also by Digitek, because I have searched a lot. I googled it, and on YouTube also I have viewed various videos, and I found that Digitech is a good brand and I can buy that, also can trust that. So that's why I bought ring light and that tripod from same brand by same company. So that's really pretty. My earlier tripod and ring light isn't so good. I bought that when I started my YouTube channel, and now it isn't working for me. I mean, it's in working condition, but I'm not satisfied by that. So that's why I ordered this new one, and it's retailed me 4,600 rupees. I will leave the link in the description box so you can check that out. And yes, here you can see my goody new ring light, and here is its essential tools that you will gonna need, like cable, bolt, attachment, and all, mobile holder and other things that you will gonna need. This ring light is not lightweighted at all. It has good weight, and that tripod is so heavy that I wasn't expect that much weight. So it's, I think, more than 1 kg. Tripod weight is more than 1 kg, and it's so strong, so heavy, and its material is really good, really hard. So these are the essentials of that ring light which you will gonna need. One more thing, it's Digitek 18-inch ring light, and my older one is 10-inch ring light. So keep in mind while purchasing ring light that you must see the height and inches of that ring light. I mean, Digitech provide you ring light in 10-inch, 12-inch, 18-inch, and 19-inch. So keep in mind while searching it, and choose accordingly according to your requirement, because I already have that 10-inch ring light. Now I need 18-inch. That's why I bought this Digitech 18-inch ring light. Okay, so I'm checking my tripod, and now I'm gonna fix it with ring light. I don't know how to do it because I haven't seen how to attach ring light with tripod video. That's why I'm gonna do it by myself, understanding the things so myself, and then yes, let's see how to do it. I'm trying my best to figure out the things, how this will go, how that will go, how to attach it, where to attach it, what to attach it, and all. It's a kind of first impression video because I had never used this product. I have no idea about it, and this is my first time I have bought something from this company by of this brand. And I mean, it's totally first time for me. I'm not reviewing the product, I'm just super excited, happy. That's why I'm sharing my first impression and unboxing video with you. So now I have successfully attached my mobile holder. Now I'm gonna attach my cable. At the time of attaching the cable, I forgot to check on off switch of ring light, and this is what happened when I attach my cable to ring light. Oh my god, it's working, and it's working pretty good. I mean, wow, I'm so happy. Wow, the product is really good. The lighting is pretty good. I mean, so good, and I can't express my happiness that yes, my product is not at all defected. it has nothing wrong. I don't need to return it, and that's why I'm so happy. It's a kind of yeah feeling. Oh, I forgot to tell you that I have bought this product from amazon.in, and you can see how happy I am. You can see my dance on my face. I'm so excited. And this is the total height of the tripod. You can adjust it, okay, like so. And my height is 5'3" and its height is 6 feet. You can adjust the light, like you can on it and on off it without a switch, also by turning the knob. It has two knobs. One is for light adjustment, like you can down it or up it, and one is to change the kind of light. You want it warm or you want it bright. This is switch on and off. And it has one more section that if you don't have lighting, you can attach battery. A kind of handle is given in ring light. I don't know what it's actually called, but I'm saying it just to make you understand. A kind of handle is given, so with the help of which you can adjust the ring light up and down. So guys, this is all for my unboxing and first impression of Digitek 18-inch light ring light video. And I will be back soon in my next video, but before that let me show you my older ring light. So you can see my older ring light with its tripod is not professional at all. Ring light is also 10 inches, so it wasn't working for me. That's why I bought new one, and yes, it's a great product.